just when you were thinking that this view over here was pretty, it got even prettier.
Dobby, blue, blue.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be.
There's nothing cuter than cute little puppies. Cute little puppies. Cute little puppies. Everybody loves these cute little puppies. Yeah. Cute little puppies.
Unicorn, yes, I'm a unicorn. I'm a unicorn, yes, I'm a unicorn. No, you're not. Yes, I'm a unicorn.
So I'm walking my dog, and this little where did you come from? Stop! What did you do?
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello.
So we got a new puppy who won't stop terrorizing the big dogs. So Maisie has found her new hiding spot.
I love you. Come here.
Play. Water. Play. Water.
What's wrong? Did you just say mama? Did I just get your first words? Did you just say mama?
Is your dog super cute and they know it too? Give you puppy dog eyes when they want something from you. But you know when you're down, they can turn it all around. Is your dog super?
Peekaboo, I found you. Where are you? Peekaboo, I see you. Where am I? Here I am. Where'd you go? Peekaboo, hello, baby.
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
Happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that. A happy.
Tell him. Tell him. Let me see. My big teeth are coming in.
Oh my god. Oh my god. He on X Games mode.
Put him in while we eat. Murphy, you stay. Murphy, get your butt back in there.
Run.
Do you like going to the vet?
Who can relate? This struggle is real.
He's going for it. He's out of it, but he's on a fifth. Where is he? Get the dog!
It is 1 in the afternoon, and you've been laying in bed all day. Why don't you actually get up and try to do something with your life, you lazy piece of shit?
Pull up a little bit more. Oh my god, pull up a little bit more.
It's gotten pretty bad where when I grab pants, he thinks we're going outside because that's the only time I put pants on.
What? Oh my god.
Are you pee-peeing?
Oh my god. My dogs think they're alone. I think everyone's gone.
These dogs are $30,000. Sometimes you wonder why.
Parkour! 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 Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
What is this?
Majority say no. Come on out here, folks.
Why are you guys being weird?
And this is Mike. They're the proprietors, some of you know. You've seen the answers. What type of food do you want?
You have to open it.
What type of restaurant do you want?
Are you kidding me? What is it? What is this?